non-drowsy 24-hour relief of your toughest symptoms. Get Allegra at an everyday low price at Walmart.
Oh, Duvi, you like it? Yeah, it's good, eh? I hooked you up, man. I hooked you up. I got you, man. I got you. Oh shit, you dropped it? Yeah, no worries, man. I'll hook you up again. Hey, come on, man. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Good shit, eh? You munching out? You munching out right now? What the fuck are you doing?
Using Frontline Plus shows your vet you care.
But you want it here? You want it? Okay, done? No, you ain't done. You ain't done right now. Okay. So I got you.
That's why it's the #1 choice of vets for their pets and yours. Unleash a complete killing force in every dose of Frontline Plus.
Hello.
Cold, just easy.
Achoo! Achoo!
When the cold indicator turns blue,
Kutta.
it's chilled to perfection. Easy drinking Busch Light.
Hello.
Fridays has a five
Hello.
infused menu items like our fire-grilled Black Angus Brewhouse steak. The better with brew menu.
Banjo.
Select entrees and we'll give you $10 to try it again. In here, it's always Friday. The green flag is dropped.
Banjo.
Race to savings with Menards. Give your deck fences and siding a much-needed pit stop with Pittsburgh. Right now, save $5 a gallon on Pittsburgh stains and sealers. That's $25 on 5-gallon pails. Ultra advanced protection against harmful UV rays. Weatherscreen deck stain provides waterproof protection that can be immediately applied to all wood. Weatherscreen wood preservative provides a waterproof, mildew-resistant coating.
He uses this. Just think about it, though. Oh, Duvi. Kutta. Can you say kutta? I'm not sneezing. Kutta. Hello. Hello. Hello.
And receive a special discount offer.
Warm up, man. Hello.
My sister's new boyfriend told her that he thinks Sundays are just for watching football.
Hello.
Believe that?
Relax. You ordered a McDonald's dollar menu at breakfast. Everything's so good in just a bite. So, go. Here's a jug. A simple Japan
Kutta. Kutta.
Thanks to the new ice cold easy can, grabbing a cold Busch Light has never been so easy. Because when the cold indicator turns blue, it's chilled to perfection. Easy drinking Busch Light. Ice cold easy. Closed captioning and other consideration for 2.5 Men provided by...
Ow, you fucker! You don't touch my cage, bitch. He just like me touching his cage. Yeah, look real cute, eh? Real cute. What's this? What's this? You want it? You want it? Yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Would you like to see the wine list?
No, thank you. I'll just have a glass of the Woodbridge Pinot Noir. Or should we get a bottle?
Oh, definitely. Get a bottle. Get coffee for me. You know, Sherry, I'd really like to see more of you.
Well, maybe we should wait and see how tonight goes.
No, I mean, I've only got the one good eye. Could we change places?
Sure.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Oh, yes, yes. Fine.